Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their Samsung SDP-860 or SVP5300N digital presenter document camera, the Marg AC adapter. This isn't just any power brick. It's engineered with a clear focus on safety and consistent performance, ensuring your valuable equipment stays powered without a hitch. One of the first things that stands out about this Marg adapter is its commitment to safety. The manufacturer has gone to great lengths, using special design and high-quality materials to ensure the adapter maintains a low operating temperature. This means it charges your device safely, without the risk of overheating. It's also certified by FCC, CE, and RoHS, which are crucial indicators of its adherence to strict safety and environmental standards. They specifically highlight features like no noise, low temperature operation, and a complete absence of spontaneous combustion, explosion, or fire hazards. For anyone who's ever worried about generic chargers, this level of detail provides immense peace of mind. Plus, it includes short-circuit protection, adding another layer of security for your devices. Beyond safety, reliability is a core promise. This adapter is designed to provide a stable output, ensuring your document camera receives consistent power for optimal performance. The company states that all their product lines undergo rigorous quality control procedures, guaranteeing safe and reliable operation for years. They confidently claim it will charge your device as efficiently as the original charger or any other high-quality replacement. This is a significant point, as often third-party adapters can fall short in terms of charging speed or stability. The specifications are also quite practical. With a worldwide input voltage range of 100–240 V at 50–60 Hz, this adapter is ready for global use, making it a convenient choice for professionals who travel or work in different regions. It's a versatile power solution that adapts to various electrical standards. What truly sets Marg apart is their dedication to customer service. They offer a no-questions-asked full money-back guarantee, which speaks volumes about their confidence in the product. Furthermore, they provide a generous 3-year free exchange policy should the product become defective, along with 24-hour customer service. This kind of support is invaluable and significantly enhances the overall user experience. They even provide a helpful tip for users to easily find their device model using Ctrl+F, showing attention to user convenience. The brand explicitly warns against confusing their product with low-quality, low-current alternatives on the market. This adapter is built to deliver high-quality and stable current, which is essential for sensitive electronics like digital presenters. In essence, the Marg AC adapter for Samsung SDP-860 and SVP5300N appears to be a robust, safe, and highly reliable power solution, backed by excellent customer support, making it a strong contender for anyone needing a dependable replacement or spare.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.